NEM for the most part arisen as a panacea to truly wipe out all defects and obstacles in the recent planned monetary standards. Thus the world in every practical sense found that one solution it has been searching for. NEM established a climate, an ecospace, where it greatly added to the genuinely next development of blockchain by guaranteeing standard reception, showing up at a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, straightforwardness, and power. NEM rules the cryptographic money space with all benefits based on blockchain improvement, which is very huge. Look at the coin subtleties before we leap to nitty-gritty NEM cost expectation. NEM, a solid biological system, or so they generally thought. A whole group of experts and geniuses working with most extreme devotion make it conceivable to transform the component of NEM into progress. The group NEM comprises of CEO David Shaw, Ian Wilson as CFO, David Mansell as head working official, and Dave Hodgson as boss speculation official. The vigorous group of the executive specialists and programmers loans their unmatched commitment to business advancement as well as local area commitment. The NEM establishment and associations, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. NEM exists to fuel trust. It guarantees the improvement of the in every practical sense whole local area working with progress in the blockchain space in a for the most part significant manner. NEM convention truly is energized at each level on a worldwide impression to improve use cases. A portion of the huge organizations of NEM are related with Rainforest Establishment US, which is committed to natural causes. The coordinated effort engages the NEM people group can now utilize their XEM, the sort of unique NIS1 token, to really make gifts to safeguard the rainforest, which explicitly is genuinely huge. One more critical move for NEM attests the participation with advanced markets to by and large lift decentralized computerized resources by associating their clients to previously unheard of chances in the worldwide computerized protections market, which is very huge. NEM, specialized examination and assessment of legitimacy. Right from its establishment days to date, the token has shown truly extreme cost somersaults on trades in an unpretentious manner. As a cryptographic money, no big surprise the costs sort of are constantly represented by various elements like market development, exchanging volume, innovation, and so on. Subsequently, to expect any bonus benefit from NEM truly is whole dApps market situated. Pandemic also really has done its disaster for NEM. And the year 2020 was in every practical sense all-out change for NEM, with negativity winning. Notwithstanding, the pattern is by all accounts emphatically bouncing back starting from the start of 2021 when the NEM cost began glancing back at 20 cents. The new organizations would carry NEM cost to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded digital money. The year's end 2020 could offer a bye to all negative and skeptical patterns and expectations for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for XEM. It could truly mean the beginning of a time of expectations and commitments brimming with positive thinking. While the essential improvements have influenced the XEM cost, pushing them in a fundamentally sure course, the market appears to hold a ton certainly more commitment in the months to come. While numerous crypto masters sort of have expressed their examination on XEM cost in a plenty, not all conjectures basically are similar. While certain specialists like Wallet Financial Backer give a hopeful view on NEM cost estimate, the others explicitly demonstrate to be a little wary in giving you liberal freedoms on XEM. In light of our gauge, an improvement especially is normal, and the NEM cost guess for 2027 is 35 cents fundamentally. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 225.09% in a significant manner. Today, NEM exchanged at 10 cents, which generally is very critical. The Guaj NEM cost toward the finish of 2022 is 16 cents and the year-to-year change plus 46% in a significant manner. The NEM cost is estimated to reach 23 cents by the start of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost by and large is 19 cents, lease cost 11 cents. The typical cost during December 2022 may be around 13 cents. As per our figure, the NEM cost could in a real sense cross 20 cents toward the finish of the following 5 years, 2026, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The expectations by and large are very sure for digital currencies like XEM as the cost will increment to 18 cents toward the finish of 2022 with practically 63.36% change. The sort of current cost of NEM waits around 10 cents with a market cap of $975,384,424.23 with an exchanging volume of $37,701,412.20 and a flowing inventory of $8,999,999,999 XEM. Starting from the start of this current year, the XEM USD has recorded gigantic improvement, as in the long stretch of spring genuinely last year. It has recorded a huge ascent and crossed the 85 cents mark, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Nonetheless, it confronted a sharp decay subsequent to confronting dismissal at 76 cents and tumbled to 33 cents. Afterward, the worth of XEM denoted a flattish pattern. Since November 2021, the cost has gone down persistently till the beginning of 2022, which certainly is very critical. Then later, unpredictability in cost explicitly is seen, trusting that there will essentially be expansion in the cost in future. Presently, we should, in every way that really matters, take a gander at the value forecast of NEM crypto. NEM Value Forecast 2022. With genuinely an ever-increasing number of financial backers purchasing XEM crypto since the absolute last year, the interest in the exchange may just explicitly amount to the cost of XEM dramatically on the lookout and coordinate its blockchain on numerous applications, which is very critical. The mass reception could bring about a speculation ascend in costs toward the finish of 2022, taking it to 14 cents. NEM Value Expectation 2023 in a significant manner. Despite the fact that specialists conjecture the NEM crypto exchange scaling a typical pinnacle cost of 18 cents toward the finish of 2023. Besides, it might zero in on specific organizations and mechanical headways to fortify its biological system during this period, amazingly for the most part. NEM Value Forecast 2024. The value gauges of different specialists in every practical sense don't discourage NEM crypto from outflanking the opponents by any in a real sense implies in an unobtrusive way. The NEM People Group has set sort of higher benchmarks for itself. In any case, the NEM will generally outperform the value assumptions for all cryptographic money financial backers who have sort of found this stage incredibly intuitive and straightforward, taking the cash value up to 19 cents. NEM Value Expectation 2025. The significant specialized redesigns and item dispatches may be set to disclose, upheld by large numbers of biological systems. It would really not in every practical sense be an embellishment to for the most part find that NEM would increment to 23 cents. However, the equivalent can't be known as an exceptionally exaggerated and light, especially go after 2025. NEM Value Expectation 2026 in an unobtrusive manner. The ongoing cost of XEM is around 10 cents. And it mirrors a potential union, which in a real sense is very critical. Nonetheless, according to the NEM cost forecast, it could go down to 21 cents toward the finish of 2026, which is very huge. Is NEM a wise interest in 2022? In actuality, indeed, or so they thought. NEM is a brainchild of geniuses who have considered and especially dealt with blockchain for quite a long time. NEM by and large is said to have a truly extreme effect on the whole digital money space with a very much thought guide and vision in an unpretentious manner. NEM will break all boundaries, staying a most loved token on the crypto trades, or so they in a real sense thought. On a skeptical scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that it may not blow the rooftop at the cost but rather will doubtlessly stand firm feet on the ground on any trade. How does NEM gain importance on the lookout, which is genuinely huge? Only the trust of financial backers truly has made